Hi everyone, as Luana is sleeping on me, I'm going to share with you guys what I'm making for dinner today. So I'm making this veggie stew. It's filled with good veggies, so potatoes, carrots, celery, and I'm also using lentils for protein. And I'm going to be using the Herbamare herbed sea salt from A.Vogel. So it contains a lot of fresh herbs in there. I love it. It's all organic, tastes really good. So I'll show you first the ingredients and how to do this recipe step by step. So a quick tip, I like to dissolve the cubes of vegetable broth in some hot water so there's no crumbs left. In a warm pot over medium heat, I added some oil with the onion and the garlic. I'm adding also the original Herbamare herb sea salt mix. I love the taste of all these fresh organic herbs. We're also putting in the veggies, so I put 1 cup of carrot, 1 cup of celery, all diced. You can roughly dice these. This is a stew, comforting stew, so we don't need perfection for the cutting of the veggies. And then I chopped some potatoes, so 4 cups of small potatoes. Mix that all together. Add the 2 cups of diced mushrooms. The dried herbs I'm adding for extra flavor is half a teaspoon of sage, teaspoon of thyme, and a teaspoon of oregano, mixing that in too. So this is a very flavorful dish. Finally adding a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. Might surprise you, but really adds some flavor to this recipe and the color and everything. So you want to mix that in. We're going to add to that the 1 cup of red lentils for the added protein, the texture too, that's going to thicken the whole stew. And a 1/4 cup of flour, same thing, it's going to thicken. We don't want a liquid soup, right? So we want chunky stew. Then we're adding some veggie broth, 2 cubes of Herbamare cubes in water. Now that everything's in, we're just gonna make it boil for 10 minutes and stir it occasionally, and then we're gonna put it to simmer or low and just watch it for 45 minutes, let it cook. Perfect timing, Lou just woke up. The recipe is done. Bon appétit! Yeah.